Hello guys, you are welcome once again to another video. Alright, my name is Amadin Etiosa. In today's video, I will be showing you the step-by-step process of growing your Facebook page, alright, with the help of Facebook ads. Alright, how to use Facebook ads to grow your Facebook page. Okay, the thing is, most of you out there who are looking for a way to grow your page so you can start earning via content creation and the rest of them, this process and this video is for you. Alright, if you are coming across my channel for the first time, please like this video and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not done so, and kindly hit that notification bell so you will be notified whenever new videos like this are posted. Okay, so I will be taking you through the process one after the other. All right, so before you can do that, you need to have your Facebook page. All right, you need to have a Facebook page set up. I have a video on my channel that talks about how to create a Facebook page and how you can also set it up. All right, the right way to do all of those things. I have a video on that. All right, I will drop the link of that video in the description of this particular one you are watching right now. All right, so without wasting time, I will take you through the process. What you need there, if you need to come to your Facebook ad manager. All right, you need to come to your Facebook ad manager and set the ad to promote that particular page you want to grow. All right, so for you to do that, if I come to my ad manager now, I'll just click on this. I'll click on ad manager. All right, so this is the interface of Facebook Ad Manager. From this particular place, you can run your advert to anything you want. All right, so what I want to show you this particular video is the step-by-step process of how you can run a Facebook ad to grow a page on your Facebook. Right, how you can run the advert, the kind of advert to set up, how you can set it up, how you can make your payment, how you can also do your targeting. Okay, so this kind of process we'll be doing, you don't need a website to run this kind of adverts. All right, you don't need a website, you don't need to set up any pizza. All you need is a page with a post. Okay, so that is what you need to run this one. So now to go to the process, you click on create. All right, you click on create. So once I click on create, you come to what? Engagement. This is the particular campaign that allows you to grow your Facebook page. All right, this is a particular campaign you need to grow your Facebook page. You click on engagement, or I can see the engagement, then you click on continue. So once you do that, you come over to this place and click on manual engagement campaign. All right, I select this part and click on continue. Right, good. So allow it to load up. Perfect, perfect. So once you come to this part here, you can just give this part a name. I can start to say page, or just say PG test one. All right, this is the page, I use the name. So once you do that, you come to this second part here. This is your asset. Right, you come to your asset. In this first part, you don't need anything. Right, you don't need anything on this part since we have already selected our campaign to be what? Engagement. So you come to this second part here, you can see it. Click on it here. So once you come over to this place, I want to grow my page. I want to grow my page. I will come to Facebook page. Can you see it here? Facebook page. This particular one says get people to engage with your Facebook page. This is a particular ad that you need to grow your page. Likes, followers, this is what you need. So once I come over to this place, I will click on page, Facebook page. Can you see that? I'll click on that. This is what I need. Then the particular page I want to grow, can you see there are different pages on this Facebook account. The particular page you want to grow, you select it. All right, you can see this is for personal. So you can come over to this place and select anyone you want. All right, if I click on this now, you can see other pages I have here. All right, so I'll just leave that aspect. So this is the one I will be using. Okay, then I will come down. Once I select the page, that's the Facebook page. Then you come down, you don't need any other thing again. Right, good. You come to your ad budget. How much do you want to be spending on this particular ad every day? All right, the good thing about Facebook, why I so much love Facebook, is that you can run advert with as low as 1,000 naira. You can run advert with as low as 2,000 naira. You can run advert with as low as 3,000 naira, depending on your budget. Okay, you can run it, but then bear it in mind that the higher your budget, the higher the reach. All right, the higher the budget, the higher the reach. So this is what you need. So if I come over to this place now, I select, let's say I want to do 2000, right? 2000. Okay. So I will come there. You leave this part, just ignore this part. Then you come to your budgeting and scheduling, right? Okay, you don't need anything to do on this aspect here. You come to your audience control. Audience control. When you come to your audience control, it talks about the kind of people you want to see your advert. All right, the kind of people you want to see on your advert. All right, the kind of people you want to see on your advert. So you come over to this place, select the location. If I click on, I will you this is the because Facebook is always updating their interface. So you can do the audience suggestion, but I like using the original audience option. Can you see there? I'll just click on this. I will switch to use original audience. I will click on this. Right. So once I click on this now, it will bring me back to where I have like this. Right, good. So come over here. Now, where do you want your advert to go to? This is where you select your location. Your location, if it is only in Nigeria, you select Nigeria. If you want to go to other places, if I click on it now, I can select Ghana. Right? You can see Ghana. Right? I can select Cameroon. Right? You can see Cameroon. Is it loading? Think Ghana. Okay, good. I can select Cameroon. I can select as many places as possible. All right, as many places as possible. Kenya. Right? Can select Kenya. That means people from Kenya can start seeing your ad, can start seeing your page to like it. People from Cameroon, people from Ghana, and across the globe. All right, so they can see your page and like it. Good and fine. So once you are done with that, you come to the age range. You come to the age range. If I click on age range now, then according to Facebook, the minimum age they allow is 18. All right, from 18 upward. So if you want to go as far as you can say, okay, from 25 or from 20. 20 is fair enough, from 20 upward. All right, from 20 upward. Then you come to your gender. This is a page, and if your page is open to all, that is male and female, you can leave it as all gender. If it's only centered on just female, leave it for women. If it's centered on male, just leave it at what men. So you do that. Then you come to your detailed targeting. Detailed targeting simply means if you want to specify those kind of people that will see your advert, you can do that. But most of the time, since it's just you want to grow your page, you don't need to go about this detailed targeting. Just leave it like this. Leave it the way it is so that anybody can see the advert, like and follow. All right, so just leave that one there. Then you come to your placement. Placement talks about where do you want this advert to be showing. You have Facebook, you have Instagram. All right, so let me click on the manual placement so you see what I'm talking about. If I click on manual placement here, you can see where it says this is just for Facebook. Can you see now? Because I want to grow my Facebook page, they are always specifying just Facebook, only Facebook. All right, so I don't need to go to Instagram. You can see there are, if you are running other kind of advert, you have options for Instagram. But since this is narrowed for Facebook page like and followers, we are centered on Facebook. All right, so you do that, right? Click on okay, you leave that. So once you are done here, once you are done, I can still change this name to what I'm using. I'm saying PG test, right? PG test one, good. I'm using this. So the next thing I would like to do is to go to the add creative. All right, you come to your add creative. Once you come to your add creative, remember I've already selected my page. This is the page I want to use. So let me change this name to PG test one. All right, this is the page I want to use. Good. So I will come here now, specify an image to run the advert. All right, you can use an image, you can use a video. All right, maybe you want to grow your Facebook content page. All right, so you can specify with your flyer or with a video, but most of the time it's good for you to use a video. All right, use a video. You can create a funny video or maybe an engaging video. Use that to grow your page so that as they are watching the video, they can just smash the like button and Enjoy. So you can see where it says it's asking me to upload a video. So if you want to upload a video, you click on upload here. Once you click on this upload, it will take you to your system, select the video you want to use and upload. All right, once you are done, you come back to this place. You can just add a little caption. You can just add a little caption on that page. All right, a little caption that they can read. Okay, so once you do that, you just scroll down and you click on this publish. You click on this publish. All right, so once you hit the publish, then for you to fund your ad, let me come over to this billing. For you to fund this particular ad, you need either a Visa card or a MasterCard. These are the two cards you can use to fund your ad, to fund this particular account, because it's a Naira account. So if you want to fund it, use a Visa card or a MasterCard, all right, from any of the bank. But most of the time you can even get a virtual card from Kuda Bank and the rest of them and use it to make your payment. All right, so this is how you grow your Facebook page with the help of Facebook ads. All right, hope you enjoyed this particular video we just did. If you're having any challenge and you would like me to teach you how to do this step by step, how to set up your Facebook page, how to run it, how to make payment and all, kindly hit me up via my WhatsApp number on the description of this video. All right, and if you're having any challenge, you want me to clear anything, or just drop it in the comment section. I will respond to you all. All right, thank you guys for staying to the end of this video. See you in my next video.